They say Arc AI Screen Assistant app can read your screen, summarize anything, rewrite text, search the web, and even talk back to you with natural AI voices, all from a floating sidebar on your phone. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at Arc AI Screen Assistant app and showing you exactly how it works, what features it offers, and whether it's actually useful in daily life. So when you first open the app, you'll see the login page. You can either sign in using your Google account or continue as a guest if you just want to test things quickly. After that, the app will ask for a few permissions like overlay access and accessibility settings. Make sure to enable those because they're required for the AI tools to work properly on your screen. Once you're inside, the app gives you a quick tutorial, but honestly, it's pretty simple to understand. The main thing you'll notice is the floating sidebar. This little shortcut follows you across apps like Instagram, Facebook, websites, or basically anywhere on your phone. And this is where the app becomes interesting. The sidebar gives you access to multiple AI tools instantly. For example, there's an AI read feature that can summarize whatever is currently on your screen. So if you're reading a long article or web page, you can tap the button and instantly get a shorter version. There's also a rewrite and grammar fix option that helps clean up text or improve your writing. Another feature converts text into speech using different AI voices, and you can even customize the speed, tone, and pitch of the voice responses. One thing I actually liked is the custom action buttons. You can create your own shortcuts for things like web search, screenshots, celebrity identification, math solving, and more. You simply choose an icon, enable the features you want, and add them directly to the sidebar. The community section is also pretty interesting because you can browse tools created by other users and add them to your own setup instantly. Now, here's the coolest part. Let's say you're browsing a website and want quick information about something on your screen. You can use the screenshot search feature. The app captures the screen, analyzes it, searches the web, and gives you AI-generated answers almost instantly. Of course, the app isn't perfect. Some features depend heavily on permissions, and the floating sidebar can feel a bit overwhelming at first. But overall, it's surprisingly powerful if you actually use AI tools regularly throughout the day. So, is this app worth trying? Honestly, yes, especially if you like productivity tools, AI assistance, or quick shortcuts while browsing on your phone. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which AI feature you would actually use the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.